Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add overlay on CapCut PC. Alright guys, let's get started. Here I have opened my CapCut application on my PC and I have created a project as well. And for example, we're going to add overlay to this video. I'm going to add this video as an overlay. Then we just need to drag this video to the CapCut timeline like this. Now, as you can see that the video has been overlaid, and if you want to add another overlay, you just need to do the same step. So you can just drag the video to the CapCut timeline, and this is the main layer. This is the first layer, and this is the second layer. And if you want to reorder the layer, you can just tap on the clip that you want to reorder the layer. Then you can scroll down until you can find the layer option. And I'm going to make this clip as the second layer, so we can just tap on the second layer right here. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can add overlay on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.